Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be filming an unboxing for the UGG platform Disquette slippers. I am super excited to be filming this because somehow UGGs have made a comeback. They've gone viral on TikTok and yeah, I'm super excited. Stay tuned. Okay. So I have them right here. I got them off of Nordstrom. I'm really nervous to be unboxing them. I've had them for like 2 weeks and I have been loyal to the unboxing and I'm super excited. Yeah, shipping was really quick. Nordstrom is like the best. I don't have scissors. I couldn't find them. Hopefully, okay. That was easy. Okay. See, their packaging is super easy to open. Here they are. Ooh, sparkles, insert. Me and my sparkles. Anyway, I got them in a size 7. I am a true size 7, so I figured I would get them in a 7. I am super nervous though because a lot of reviews say that they run small. I will let you guys know if they run small. I'm gonna try to do a try on. I feel like my try ons kind of suck, but I will do my best. Here they are. Yeah, so let's see. And then that's the box. Okay. Okay. Ooh, they're so nice. They're super nice. I thought that the platform was gonna be bigger and it's actually not as big as I thought it would be. And I kind of like it like that. So let me do a close-up. This is the back, side, the front. I just hope that I'm actually recording. And yeah. And we have the fur here and the sheep skin here. And they look really cute, but I will say they do look kind of small, so I'm really nervous. So they have like the UGG logo right there. And I think maybe they run small because of all the fur that they have in there. Yeah. And like it makes your foot not go in well. I'm gonna do a better close-up because I feel like my close-up kind of sucks. So I love the fur, it's super nice. I think it's what makes them stand out, like the big fur collar. And this is the front. And it says UGG right there. You guys can see how big the platform is. This is the sole. It has like a little sticker with some of the information. I think it says UGG right there. And then this is the back. And like I said, the platform actually isn't that thick as I thought it would be. But I like that. I think it's, I don't know, it's more like cuter. And yeah. And I got them in the color chestnut, which is like a tan color. They have them in so many other colors. They have them in like black, pink. I don't know when I would ever buy them in like pink. It's like a hot pink, but yeah. And they also have them in like red. Okay, so anyway, what was I gonna do? So the little sticker on the bottom says real fur from lamb. So it's from lamb. And it says the fur is from Australia, so that's pretty cool because I think it can also be from America, so I don't know. And it was made in Vietnam, and yeah, I feel like all the information is like unnecessary. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna do a try on and hopefully they fit. I'm gonna be so upset if they don't. Yeah, let's see. Oh my god. I don't think they fit. Oh my god, they are so... Okay, hold up. Oh my god, I think they run very small. I don't know. what the heck? Okay, like my foot fits because I'm a true 7, but it's kind of sticking out. I don't know if I'm gonna return them. I'll show you guys right now. Or like, I might have to exchange them, which sucks because I was at Nordstrom today. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys right now, but you saw my immediate reaction. Okay guys, so my mom actually, I told her about this and she decided to try them on because she's a size 6 and they literally fit her perfect and they look way better on her than they did on me because yeah, they just did not fit me. But they look super cute and she is modeling them for you guys. She's a really good model. And yeah, so make sure you get a size up. Like, just don't even bother trying to get your true size because I messed up. Okay. So I just did a try on. They did not fit me. They didn't fit me and I wasn't able to see how they would actually look on me, but on my mom they look super cute. She's such a sweetheart. She was like, let me try them on. And she's a size 6. She's a true size 6 and those Uggs were a size 7. So yeah, they run super small. Like, please make sure to size up because you're just gonna be very disappointed. You're really gonna be disappointed. And I wish that I didn't have to go through the hassle, but Nordstrom return/exchange policy is super easy. So I'm gonna go to Nordstrom and just exchange them. I don't know if they're gonna be available because they're a bit popular right now. So yeah, but I'm gonna try to exchange them because I think they look cute on my mom, so they're gonna have to look cute on me. So I mean, I hope so. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that this was helpful in some type of way. And yeah, if you enjoyed watching my unboxings, please watch my other unboxings or stay tuned for future unboxings. Have a nice day.